Hello everyone, welcome to the technical video of our team Orac. Our team includes 4 members, me Anshu Agarwal, Ricky, Steve and Annie. We are working with Sample Assist and we are reporting to Heath and Jake. And our main goal of the website of our project is to design the front end of a medical dashboard website, and for that purpose we are using Cursor IDE, and we have linked our project to the GitHub and we're making daily commits. And on the left hand side you will see the storybook, and if you come into the SIC folder you will see under the components the tables we designed and the components that were required for the website,
and added statistical analysis of time dimension. All tables support data display for today, current week, current month, and current year, and achieve beautiful UI design through styled components. In addition, in order to improve our experience, we used Rechart's library in the chart wheel to convert boring data into intuitive bar charts and pie charts to help users better understand data trends and distribution.
Table 5 to Table 8 show more complex data analysis and virtualization functions. These models continue to adopt components based on architecture design, and each model contains 3 core fields. I'm now on page Breeze test result, which is Table 8 as an example. Here is our main entry field, responsible for overall layout and state management. It manages wheel switching, time range selection, and other states through React hooks, such as useState and useEffect, and obtains data through API calls also. Chart.txx will focus on data visualization and use 2 chart libraries, which is Rechart and eChart. Rechart is used for simple bar chart display, while eChart is used for more complex interactive charts. Each chart component receives time range and time data as props, and the render data is according to different time dimension. Today, current week, current month, current year. Here is the index field. Index field is unified export field of the component, which integrates the functions of main TXX and the chart to achieve seamless switching between data view and chart view. This design not only improves the maintenance of the code, but also allows user to free switch between different data display methods as needed.
let's discuss the tables 9 to 12. So basically those tables indicate the results obtained by drug classes. So the results are of 3 types: non-negative, negative and invalid. So let's see the basic designing behind them or the technical stuff. So each table has these 5 files: chart, index, main, JSON, table and the storybook file. This is a common set structure or architecture of every table. So let's start with the main file. So basically the main file is a main entry file which is responsible for the overall state management and data flow control. And let's discuss some of the important functions in chart.tsx. Let me search through it. So starting from useState. So basically this function is used to manage the display mode if user want to switch through table or chart view. And moving on to next, the time range function. So this we use to manage and display the data under the following subheadings: today, this week, month and year. And also this handles the data loading and chart instance lifecycle through the useEffect. So that's why we use this function. And let's move to the table 12, which was the collective performance, and it is using a more complex interactive chart, support data drilling, and multi-dimensional analysis. So basically, if we go through the table.tsx file, this file is responsible for displaying and editing data tables, implemented editable table component support. It also supports real-time data updates, and also if you see, we have used various data structures. For example, key value pairs. If you will see the name and string, so name is the key and string is the value assigned to it. And apart from this is our data that we put through it. And let's discuss the other tables.
Tables 13 to 15 continue to show comprehensive data analysis functions. These models adopt a unified and componentized architecture, and each model contains 3 code files. The first one is the main TSX. This is a main engine file responsible for overall state management and data flow control. The table 13 focuses on the analysis of test results and manages display mode, like change table view or chart view here. Change the display mode to chart to chart view on click. And table 14 and 15 add this one, table center data, to handle more complex data structures such as gender distribution, drug use, and attendance records. All modules implement data range selectors to support data analysis of custom time periods. And also we have used effect to handle data loading and lifecycle management of the chart instance. It's here, use effect. And the second one is the chart TSX file. The table 13, look at here. The table 13 uses a combination chart to show the test trend and the result distribution. And the 14 introduce a classification chart system to display data for 3 dimensions: gender, drug, and attendance. And the last one, table 14, focuses on data visualization of result reports and attendance certifications, using bar charts to display the multi-dimensional data. And the last code file is the table TSX. It's responsible for the display and interaction.
So here is our storybook page. I use table 3, which is patient time, as an example to show. You can free switch between the data view and the chart view here to gain data. In the data view, the system virtually displays the statistical of various testing items in the full time period, today, week, month, year, in the form of tables. The header is highlighted in blue, with clear data differentiation. It supports filtering by location, Sydney, Melbourne, making it easy for you to focus on business performance in different regions. After switching to chart view, you will see the same data present in a virtual chart format. Each time period is equipped with an independent horizontal bar chart using grouped color, such as repeat, selva, and detection tabs are defined by different color, and the average, shortest, and longest are defined by different sheets, making the comparison of data of different types and dimensions more intuitive. The chart supports mouse hover here for quick access to detailed information. Interaction test here. Focus on conducting using testing, user behavior, and verify whether components respond as expected. You can see our chart switching. Click the button and select location to test normally. In addition, the top of the interface integrates a wheel switching button and the location filtering drop-down box with smooth interaction and convenient operation. The overall design helping you analyze and manage testing data. This is all the content of our technical video. Thank you for watching.